Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating an isolated environment, Activate, then so dependencies don't conflict. Next, install Streamlit plus the ML stack, scikit-learn, pandas, numpy, and joblib because you need runtime parity. Once done, load and export your trained model to model. PKL with joblib. Dump, make sure it's compatible with the Python version you'll deploy. Finally, scaffold app. Py with import statements, and a basic layout so Streamlit can serve a simple UI immediately. Now wire the user interface to the model. Create form controls for each feature using sent number input or sent select box, and ensure input types match training data. Load model equals joblib. Load model. PKL and encapsulate preprocessing into a predict function so inputs transform exactly as during training. Once connected, call predict when the user hits a button and display probabilities and labels. Also add caching for model load with that sent cache resource to speed reloads. To finish, run Streamlit run app. Py locally and exercise edge cases, verify outputs and latency. Then deploy, push to Streamlit Cloud or containerize with Docker or use Heroku with a procfile. Include requirements. TXD so dependency resolution is deterministic. Make sure to set environment variables for secrets. If something breaks, first check version mismatches, missing packages, incorrect file paths, or a changed model schema. Those are the most common faults. Reproduce the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.